This is a tutorial on YouTube Editor and how you can upload your videos and then take several videos to create your own new single video, and how to add things like transitions, titles, audio, and things like that. Much like iMovie, without as many features and options. So when you log in, you'll be at your home screen, but we're going to go over to My Channel, and it's going to give us direct links to our videos, but we don't want to use those videos. We want to create a new video with videos that we have. So we'll click on Video Manager, and this is going to show us all the videos that we have. So you can see we have 25 here, but we're not quite there yet. What we have to do is go over here to the left and scroll down to where it says Create, because we're creating a new video. So we click on that down arrow. You can see we'll scroll down a bit. It automatically takes us to the audio library. We want to choose Video Editor, which is right here. So you can see here that it gives us a project name. You might want to change that, My Trip. We have our icons here, which tells us the different things that we can do. So we have our videos that we have uploaded. We have our Creative Commons tab. So if you want, you can search for different kinds of videos or see the ones that they have featured. You can actually upload photos. You can go to a project you have, or you can add more. You can click on the music library to add music. You can get transitions in there. You can add a title. And of course, you can get different keyboard tricks and things like that. So we're going to go back to our video. I'm going to take a couple of videos that were given to me of a recent trip. I'm going to drag and drop one. Now I'm just going to kind of pause this. That'll just loop. Now, I've lost my videos. Now, if I want to work with this one clip, I can change the speed if I want. I can change the brightness and the contrast and things like that. I can do it automatically if I prefer. If I want to add filters to the clip, I can do that. If I want to add text just to that clip, for example, I can boldface it, italicize it. You can play with that on your own. And just for this clip, if I want, I can put some audio in, play around with the bass and the treble a little bit. However, I want to go back to my other videos. And how I do that is to mouse over beside this clip and tap there, and I get my videos back. Now that's going to keep looping. So I'm going to grab my second clip that I want to put in, and I'll take it and I'll drag it and I'll drop it right here. And again, the same idea. If I want, I can go and change things like the audio, add text, filters, that kind of thing. So as I work with these clips, I can choose to shorten them. I can trim them a little bit. So I can take the scissors here and click and drag. And if I want, I've just turned that into two different separate videos. If I only wanted 2 seconds, then I can delete the part that I didn't want. I can do the same thing here, just drag it, drop it in, and I've split that video and get rid of that first part. And if I want to add another video again, I just kind of tap out here and then drag another video. We're not going to do that right now. What I want to do is add a title. So I'll go up to A, and let's see, maybe I want my title to come in this way. So I'm going to drag it and I'm going to drop it right on top of that. And then I can see here that I've got a title. So I'm going to enter the text. Canyons, the name of the place that I was at. And if I want, I can change the font to make it a little bit more adventurous. Maybe I'll change the color to something a little gaudier like red. And then I can see how it's going to look. And again, I can add some audio to these clips. I'm just going to tap out here. I want to add an audio piece to the whole entire clip. So I'm going to tap to the audio library, find one that might be the right length, just kind of drag it and drop it in here, drop it right on the box. And of course you can see this is far too long, so I'm just going to click on it and drag it over so I only have the part that I want to hear. And if I want to play around with the volume a little bit, I can do that. And you can see things are automatically changing right now. Now when I'm finished, what I want to do is click Create Video. So let's just tap out. Let's make sure I've done everything that I have wanted to do. I don't need to put any more videos. I'm not putting any photos in. I've got my music. Transitions, let's say I want to put a transition in between these two clips. I'll just drag and drop one in there. And some of these transitions will give you options. Maybe I only want 5 columns in this transition. So I tap out of that, and then I can see that this transition is going to happen. And I click Create Video, and then they're going to get back to me later, and then I can go back and change the video if I want later. I can, change the settings to unlisted or private or public, or do any other kind of editing that I may want to do. And that essentially is how you take several clips that you've taken and create your own video within YouTube Editor in the cloud, much like you would with iMovie, but with not as many features.